In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. You'll see the official site at the top of the results. Open it, and you'll land on a page that's ready to connect to your WhatsApp account. For future convenience, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back to it quickly. Next, connect your account. The most common way is by scanning the QR code with the WhatsApp app on your phone. Open WhatsApp on your phone, find the option for linked devices, and scan the QR shown in your browser. In some regions, you may also see the option to log in using your phone number. If it appears, follow the on-screen prompts to verify. Once verification is complete, you'll be logged in automatically. After you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left and the conversation area on the right. Click the conversation where you want to paste content. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top of the chat list to find the contact or group by name. Here's the fastest method for copying text from other websites or apps into your WhatsApp chat. We'll use keyboard shortcuts because they're quick and reliable on both Windows and Mac. To copy, first highlight the text you want. Click and drag to select, or double-click to select a word, and expand the selection as needed. When the text is highlighted, press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+C on Mac. If the site is restrictive about copying, try selecting again carefully. Most regular text on web pages and documents will copy without issue. Now switch back to WhatsApp Web. Click inside the message box at the bottom of the conversation so your cursor is active there. Then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. You'll see the text appear instantly. Links will usually show a preview after a moment, and line breaks will be preserved. If the pasted text looks crowded, press Enter to add spacing or edit before sending to keep your message clear. If you want to copy a message that's already inside WhatsApp Web, hover your mouse over that message bubble. A small down arrow icon appears in the top right corner of the bubble. Click it and select Copy Message. This copies the exact text, including emojis, so you can paste it into the message box or anywhere else you need. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp Web, connect your account, pick your conversation, copy with Ctrl or Command+C, and paste with Ctrl or Command+V. With a little practice, this will become second nature and save you a lot of time.